Alright everyone, the moment you've been waiting for, at least we have been, a little tour of our camper van. This is a quick tour of our Toyota Hiace. This is a 2007 Toyota Hiace camper van that we bought here in Japan from auction. If you haven't already, go back and watch our first video where I go into more detail of how we looked and found this camper van and how excited we are to begin exploring in it. Let's start off right here in the back. Let me take off my shoes, huh? As you know, this is an older van and it has some wear and tear to it, but overall we're really happy with the condition and the mileage and everything about this vehicle. The first thing that you do when you come in and you open the door, you have this massive cabinet here, and we were not quite sure when we bought it what it was, but fortunately for us,
and this kind of looks like a table.
It is a table. It has a stove that's already there, we just have to get the gas, and it has a nice kitchen sink right here. And underneath, this is where you have the pump and the water storage for the sink. So honestly, very convenient having this right when you come into the van. All right, Willa, show us what's underneath there. And then what do we have over here on this side, Willa?
Fridge.
This is the fridge, so it's actually quite deep. I think this one goes up past my elbow. I want to say this is like a 30-liter fridge. Which is going to be super awesome, and Willa almost could fit in there, huh? And then here in the front we have these curtains that go all the way across. This one I have tied up out of the way, but it goes all the way across for some privacy, and for light blocking. They all came installed when we had it purchased. We're really happy that we have these windows over here for the moments that we want to just get a nice cross draft in. There's 1, 2 on this side, and then a 3rd on the other side. Alright, so now we've taken a look at the stove, the sink, and the fridge. We are now here in the middle section for the kids, and this is really nice because it will go front, back, and side to side. But now that I've taken the 2 headrests off, I'm going to show you why we love having this seat set up. First of all, it sits just like this. Kids are sitting forward, but I can pull this lever, and pull this lever, and now you have a seat that is facing the opposite direction. Really amazing, and it still has the headrests available. Obviously not for driving this way, but you can have it set up this way for when you are dining in. Honestly, really love how versatile that is. And this is a perfect segue for our next place. We're gonna have a little string cheese snack. So this is the place where we would attach the dining table. We don't have it with us because we're putting like a new surface on top of it, but this is where it connects. It's really nice because then we have the seat we just flipped over right here, and then the other seats where we can enjoy snacks like the cheese.
You know what? I forgot I like this.
Yes, this is perfect size for our kids right now in the age that they are, but it gets better because they open up to be much bigger. We're gonna pull this one up here, and it has 1, 2, 3 different settings of how you can recline it. So both sides do this, which is really nice. It can be very comfortable, a place to be able just to look out the front window like we are right now, enjoy the view that wherever we are, and just have plenty of space for the 4 of us, huh? All right, so we're gonna put this side down now. Willa wants to show you guys what we have in the back here. And it's quite nice because I am 5'8" and a half, and it works pretty good. I'm not like fully able to do like a full stretch, but this is big enough that I can lay out myself. So Risa being a little shorter than myself, this is going to be perfect for even us if we decide to sleep down here. So now I'm going to lay all of the seats flat. This thing is absolutely massive. What do you think, Willa? It's going to be really fun for those nights that we're going to come here and just play games, relax, maybe even have a slumber party, all 4 of us. But that's probably not going to happen all that often because of what I'm going to show you next. So we're here in the back, and as Willa was just showing you, we have 2 little storage sites here. But underneath all this, or above all of this, we have something exciting. Isn't that right, Willa, huh? So let's get to it. We're going to move this panel.
So what is that?
Open up these 2 sides. And push up. Let's go. Maybe we'll have to get a stool, but this is the upstairs to our pop-up roof bed. Let's go see how she's doing.
Hi.
Hey, scoot back there, sweetheart. How is it?
Good.
All right, here I come. So this section here.
Dad, yeah, come over here. Come over here.
You have
come over, but come scoot go over there.
You're having me come in on the back here. So this top part up here is meant for, it's big enough for 2 adults. I would say it's big enough for Risa and I. Probably a little smaller for more, but yes, definitely perfect size for Willa. It's really nice. There are windows on both the sides here. Should we open one up? And I'm actually surprised. It's really quite windy out. But honestly, yeah, it's quite nice. We don't have the battery hooked up yet, but we have a light up here. And then we have 3 openings that we can have. Beautiful view.
Hi, Daddy.
And then now here in the back, I've got the door opened up. It's gonna be really nice. We're gonna get some mosquito nets so that we can have the doors open, especially during the warmer summer months. And then here, there's actually a little insert for our little porta potty. We just got this today, so we're really excited. It fits there. We got the dimensions just right, and really looking forward to so many adventures. And then in the back, we have a little bit of storage for underneath the seats. And then to mention, we do have a little switch here. Once we get a battery connected, we're going to be able to turn on a little heater that we have back here, which is going to be really nice for the colder months. And now for the final touch. There you go. Would you look at that? I happened to break the little opening crank earlier this week when I was first testing it out. This is going to be a lot of fun. Well, there you have it, everybody. This has been a quick tour of our Toyota Hiace camper van. One thing I did want to also mention is that this is 4-wheel drive, which is something we definitely wanted to have. Super pumped about this one. We hope you guys will follow along our journey over the next few months and years exploring in this camper van. Thank you so much for joining on this video. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell as well, because you guys are going to want to see all of the fun places that we're going to explore. Be sure to go ahead and check out all of the videos that we posted over the last few years. We've had a lot of fun adventures and we're going to have more, so we're looking forward to seeing you there. Alright, that's been a lot of fun. See you later, mater.
You said Mater.